Tired of the concrete jungle? Craving a bit of green in your urban life? Community gardens are the perfect solution. To fully embrace the gardening experience, let's connect with our community. We can organize community gardens in shared spaces like parks or flat house areas. By hosting workshops, we can share gardening knowledge and skills. Let's encourage seed sharing and plant exchange among community members. And finally, let's use social media to connect with other gardeners and share tips and experiences. Not only are they beautiful, but they also offer a ton of benefits. Imagine fresh and homegrown veggies right at your fingertips. Gardening can reduce stress, improve your mood, and get you moving. It's a great way to connect with nature and your neighbors. Remember to keep accessibility in mind, ensure a reliable water source, and protect your garden from harm. By working together, you can create a vibrant green space that enriches the lives of everyone in your community. So, what are you waiting for? Let's grow a greener future, together.